Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Azam. Today we will discuss about new syllabus KPK Book Foundation Physics SSC 2 Unit number 15 Electromagnetism. Now we will discuss about SLO base according to FBISC requirement numerical problem question number 5 to 7 in part 2. First of all, we will discuss in first part numerical problem question number 1 to 4 and remaining inshallah next video. Let's start the lesson in question number 5 given statement. A transformer is connected to 120 volt AC line to supply 9600 volt for a non-sign. In A part, what is the ratio of secondary to primary turns of transformer, and if the transformer is consist of 257 primary windings, how many secondary windings in this? So, first of all, write the given data according to statement. Primary voltage Vp is equal to 120 volt and secondary voltage Vs is equal to 9600 volt. So we can find in A part turn ratio and in B part primary coil Vp. So in a turn ratio Ns over Np we can calculate. So for a solution of A part, finding the turn ratio Ns over Np is equal to Vs over Vp. So we can find the ratio of Ns over Np, then putting the value of Vs over Vp. So this implies that Ns over Np is equal to 9600 divided by 120. That is equal to 80. Now in a B part, we can find Ns, number of secondary coils. So we know that Ns is equal to Vs over Vp multiplied by Np, then 9600 divided by 120 multiplied by 257. 9600 divided by 120, that is equal to 80. So 80 multiplied by 257, that is equal to 22,000. So in our next numerical problem, question number 6. How many number of turns would be the voltage of secondary coil of the transformer having the 400 turns in a primary? Number of primary turns are given. We can calculate also the secondary number of turns. If it is reduced the voltage, here voltage will be reduced 220 volt to 3 volt of AC. Now according to the statement, write the given data. In number of turns in a primary coil, Np is equal to 400 and primary voltage Vp is equal to 220 volt and secondary voltage Vs is a 3 volt. Now finding the number of turns in a secondary coil Ns. So we can find the solution using the formula Ns is equal to Vs over Vp multiplied by Np. For solution, we know that Ns is equal to Vs over Vp multiplied by Np. Putting the values, then Ns number of secondary coil is equal to 3 divided by 220 multiplied by 400. So that is equal to 5.45. Now we will move the numerical problem question number 7. In question number 7, a transformer step down a main supply of 220 volt AC to operate a 12 volt of AC lamp. Calculate the number of turns ratio in the winding. So, first of all, write the given data. Primary voltage Vp is equal to 220 volt and secondary voltage Vs is equal to 12 volt. Now, the primary voltage is Vp is equal to 12 volt. Then we can find the number of secondary coil Ns. So we using the formula Ns our Np is equal to Vs our Vp. Then we know that Ns our Np is equal to Vs our Vp. Then putting the values of Vs and Vp. Value S of Vs is 12 volt and value of Vp is 220 volt. So 12 divided by 220, that is equal to 0.05. So more videos, subscribe our channel. Best of